Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Just wanted to do a quick recap video of my live session here this morning. I'm going to show you the trades that I took, some that I lost, some big ones that I won. We'll get into it right after the intro. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. All right, so went live again this morning. Really comfortable with this live Wednesday morning sessions from pretty much 8 to 10. Covers all my morning strategies. You get to see me trade those in real time. I take the ES and the NQ. I pretty much give you guys a naked chart and I enter in the levels that I'm looking for on trades there. And it's a great opportunity to answer a lot of questions from people on my Discord, people that have been watching the channel, people that have just started trading the strategies. So I've been really enjoying that. Morning strategies today did really well. And it could have done a lot better, but it is what it is. The entire video is already posted on YouTube, so if you want to watch all of the trades, it's about, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. Just go on my channel and you'll see all of the trades from the live session, but I'll just go over them really quickly. We'll start in oil session 1, which was the first trade that I took this morning. We did get activated to the short here based on the 820, 825 inside bar. And if you put your stop loss at the top of our source bar, which is right here, it comes out to 12 ticks. We hit full take profit on the 12 ticks for $120 first trade of the day, which was awesome. And then I'm going to jump over to gold because that was the sequence of the trades that I took here this morning. And let me just move this up just a tad. Yeah. So we do get activated into gold based on the 825, 830 inside bar. If you put your stop loss to the bottom of the source bar, you get 40 ticks. Per my rules and my conditions, anything that is 40 ticks and higher as the source bar, we reduce our risk down to 35 ticks. We will also look for 35 ticks of full take profit. Hit that one with no problem. Beautiful trade in gold. So now I am currently up 35 and 12. It was $470 that I was up. And then oil session 2 came out. So it was an inside bar, first inside bar of the session, got in on the second bar of session number 2. Again, got activated to the short. This is how the original trade started up. At the top of our stop loss goes to the top of our source bar, which is 22 ticks. Looking for 22 ticks of full take profit. Had a really nice downtrend, right? You know, I honestly thought that I was going to be able to hit. Well, actually, during my live stream, I kind of mapped out a few levels of resistance that I was looking at, and we almost pretty much broke through it. Got a reversal back to kind of to our entry, actually back to our overnight open level. And we were about 5 minutes away from oil inventory report, and I was telling all the people on the stream, at this point I had already reduced my risk down to I think 11 ticks on this push down. It wasn't exactly 70%, but it was about 3 or 4 minutes before oil inventory, and I just said to myself, you know what, let me just cut some risk here because I've already seen what can happen. For the good or the bad. I mean, usually you'll get a spike. Once we got back to our entry point and a little bit into the red, I think it was a minute left before the report was coming out. And I told people on the stream, you know what, honestly, it doesn't look good no matter what. Even if this was to shoot down, we'll usually see a pretty big wick or strong wick to the opposite direction, and then it'll kind of show its true colors. So I got knocked out of this trade as well. The sad thing was I was up 470 on this trade. And once we were down here, I think I was close to like 690 on the day. and this thing ripped. Had about maybe 6 or 7 ticks of slippage on that trade, so ended off the day up $190. It's fine. I mean, it could have been much better, but it is what it is. Those are the trades you take. Those are the results that you live with. The stats for July month to date, including the trades from today, oil session 1 has made a pretty nice comeback. I think this was down at its worst point in July, maybe negative 900 or negative 800. It is currently negative 28 ticks or $280 of loss. Oil session 2 has been doing really well. That is up 122 ticks or 1,220. Gold, if you remember, was also down in July. It was hovering around break even for a while and is currently sitting at 56 ticks of profit, so $560 there. And we're up $2,100 on the 15-minute Rob reversal, which brings our month total for July up to $3,600, which is fantastic. I don't know why I'm getting this. Update available. Ugh. So I wanted to show you the trade. Let me see what happens here. Okay, that was easy. Hopefully, yeah. So here's my trade. Did take a trade. Showed this on live on my live stream this morning. Showed the setup. Actually went through with all my levels, how I map my levels, and I know it was counter trend. We were in a pretty nasty trend downward, but that's not necessarily what I am looking at. I had found an entry on a 5-minute level at 19,455, retargeting a 15-minute level at 19,490 with a clear stop loss as well. So this trade obviously didn't end up, I don't know why, but these levels don't look right to me now. At least not my stop loss level. But either way, the trade positioning tool that I've got here is correct, because this was exactly what I was looking at. Got the entry here, was actually in some profit right off of this wick here. I think I was maybe 190 in profit on this trade, and then quickly reversed on me, stopped me out. So took a $287 loss on the levels trades here today, which that was the bad side of the trades today. But again, it's one trade, it's one day. This is a marathon. That's the way that I have approached all of my trading, and it honestly it changes everything that you think about with trading. There's no revenge trading built in. There is no over trading that is put in. Rules and conditions, I'm telling you, will help you out trading so incredibly much. I was the stream went well today. Again, I stream I go live every Wednesday from 8 to about 10, or pretty much when oil session 2 trade comes to a finality. So if you're new to the channel, you're new to trading the strategies, it's a great opportunity to ask me questions. I would say every single question that was asked to me today was answered. And it's just a great way to see the actual strategies being traded live. I make videos on them every single day. The winners, the losers, I show them all. I should say I show every single thing that I can record. And I think people appreciate it. So if you're interested in that, hopefully you'll be on there next Wednesday at 8 a.m. And as a bonus treat, I'm going to leave you guys off with a trade today that I took on the 15-minute Rob reversal. If you're looking at the trade that you're going to see in the next few minutes, and you're interested in the automated strategy for Ninja Trader, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment below letting me know that you want the strategy or the indicator, and I'll make that available to you for free. So sit back, watch this trade, and I'll see you guys here tomorrow. Happy trading, everyone. All right, and as promised, here is the 15-minute Rob reversal trade that I was able to take today on the automated strategy that was been built out for Ninja Trader. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, if you are interested in this strategy, downloading it, putting it into your NinjaTrader, it will take this setup for you pretty much automatically, following my rules and conditions that I have posted at the description of this video, and obviously on my Discord. So here we get activated into the short. It's the exact candle pattern that we are looking for. Closes below the ADMA within our times conditions of 8:30 in the morning to 1:15 in the afternoon Central Time. And again, we're going for 35 points of profit, 35 points of stop loss, so $700 on the NQ. And so we were in some heat right off the bat. Actually, right off the bat, we were in some profit, maybe about 250, 285. Then we took some heat on this trade, but you guys are going to see a really nice meltdown here of the NQ that this was able to capture. Funny thing is that I only needed about $690 something to pass another 50K eval to get a funded account with TopStep, which would make the third funded account that I get this week. And at this point, trade is definitely in our favor. I think we get here pretty close to $550, $600 in profit. Just need a final little push from sellers, which we get. Beautiful trade.
Target filled.